Hello, welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can make your first manual trade, and I want to talk again a little about budget groups. So in order for us to make a first manual trade, we need to have a budget group. A budget group allows the system to understand how much of your money it can use for trading. Let's say you have, $1,000 in your account, but you want to spend only, let's say, $500 for manual trading, for your own trading strategies that you want to try out. So to not feel every time how much money you want to place on a trade, how much coins you want to buy, the system will do it automatically, saving you time, saving you effort, and it also gives an edge over your results, making them more balanced and more, let's say, organized. So to start doing this, we will go through once again through budget groups. So you need to go at the left side, budget groups, and in this video we will make a special budget group for manual trading. We will create a new budget group, and I will go through once again, manual trading budget group. And for manual trading, just as I said, we'll giving a test of $500, and we will spend, let's say, $120 for a trade. This is not important. You can leave zero if you are a beginner, but if you are more looking for opportunities, then this number means how much percent from your profit you want to use to increase your group's capital. What it means is, if you earn $10 and you write here 100%, it means that your group's capital will increase by $10. So you can leave it as zero. Now, this is the default setup for your trades. We will get back to it in just a moment. And you can choose whether this budget group goes live, and if it goes live, you need to have an API key created. We will talk about this in another video. For now, just keep live mode off. Now we have our manual trading budget group set up. We will save it, we will add it, and we will go back to see whether we have everything set up. We will have it set up. We have the name right here, API none, and it was created 5 seconds ago. Now we will return to the budget groups after we have made our first trade, and you will understand the default settings that we did not use a little bit more in the next minutes. So in this particular situation, we'll be looking just at the Bitcoin chart. We will be doing a couple of strategies right here, which basically would identify our trade, our trend. And let's say at the first we want to make just a single trade, so you can see the options that we have right here, the options what we offer to everybody in our trading platform. Now let's click create a trade. Now at first we need to choose which of the budget groups we want to use. And we have two budget groups right now that we have set up. In the previous video we set up my trading bots budget group. This budget group is used for automated trading bots. Remember, we spent $300 there, and at this moment we will use manual trading budget, which we have just created for this trading. So it automatically fills in $120 for a trade, which is equals to 0.4089 bitcoins, and we can change how much of our total capital, of the budget group's capital, we can use. We will use a we'll use 10%. The next thing is, if we want to buy it instantly, we have options. We can buy when the price is lower or when the price is higher. We will buy it instantly. We have also buy rules, which allows you to buy in separate levels. Let's say we want to buy 50% instantly and 25% when the price reaches 7797. Let's say 7797. And what it will do, it will average out your price from these bought levels. And let's say 7700. That's how we set up buy rules if it's necessary. It's a really common way, it's a really beneficial way for most traders, and we do encourage people to use this. The next thing is, how do we want to sell it? We have set up, we will buy it instantly, 50%, 25% of our amount, which is, in this case, there will be $25, and here will be $12.5 and $12.5. We will buy in this area, at these prices. When Bitcoin will fall down, the system will automatically buy it for you. This is a really good feature. Now, how do we want to sell it? We can sell it with a fixed target price, which can be 2% higher, 1.5% higher, 1% higher, or maybe 50% higher. We can select the price in which system will automatically sell all the coins that you have bought. We can use trailing stop loss strategies, and we in default offer 3 different trailing stop loss strategies, which means that the price will be trailed by 0.5%, by 1%, by 2%. In simple words, what it means is whether it's a system or you at this point will buy instantly right here, and the price starts rising. Let's say in this scenario, price started to rise. The trailing stop loss will lift instantly the selling price. For example, the price went high right here, and the stop loss lifter would lift your selling point a little bit, always a little bit lower. So in case if a price starts falling quickly, the system will automatically sell and therefore give you the trailed profit. So it's called trailing stop loss, and you can choose whether a tight, a less tighter, or let's say a little bit wider trailing stop loss strategy. Or you can use buy and hold. It means don't sell, just hold it. Or you can use sell rules, and sell rules are the same as buy rules. We'll just hide it. Sell rules are the same as buy rules. You can sell a part of your trade, a part of your bought trade at a specific price level. Let's say sell it somewhere 8,200. Let's say, let's put a little bit down, 8,500, and sell 50% or 100% of your amount. But you can divide it into several parts. You can divide it into several parts. You can divide it in multiple selling points. But in this video, we will just use trailing stop loss strategy of 0.5%. So let's see what happens. The next step is whether if we want to use a stop loss. So we can use no stop loss, we can use minus 30% stop loss, minus 3% stop loss, minus 1% stop loss, or we can use the stop loss as we wish. 7749, let's say 7749. And we click place a trade. And the good thing about this system is it places a trade instantly and notifies you, telegrams you that your trade has already been executed 10 seconds ago. It's instant. We would say the system is made to be nearly instant. Now remember what we have set up. We set up that we want to buy 50% instantly, and the rest of the trade we will buy when the price go lower. But what I want to show you right here is that you have a complete control over your trade. A complete control over your trade. You can buy in a little bit more. Let's say we want to buy in $20 more. Buy in placed, we had $24. Now we have $44, and the price went up a little bit. we need to check 1 minute candles, what's going on here. So it went up by a small scale. Remember, we are doing simulation mode at this point, so this is just simulation mode. We can sell now. Let's say we want to sell now 50% of our trade. The system places a copy trade and it sells now. And you can see that copy trade in your closed trade section. You can view all your trades. As you can see, it was a manual sell 18 seconds ago. Continuing back, we can instantly refresh the page. We can also lift stop loss. We can lift stop loss to, let's say, stop loss feature allows you, for example, your profit would be, in this case it's 0.02 profit, but we want to sell when the profit is, let's say, 0.1, or in some other cases would be 0.30 or 0.50 or maybe 10%, 100% maybe also. But this is the thing that whether if the prices go up and you want to manually lock onto a profit percent, so you can leave here how much profit you want to take, we will not use it in this video because we don't have pluses right here. And also you can edit your trade or just view the details you have inputted. So the system is showing us that we have bought the buy rules that we have bought already. We have about 50% of our initial trade, and we still want to buy a little bit more at these points, and this is something we manually bought. So you can see all the trades, particular buy-ins that we have made so far, and some of these rules are not filled. Some of these rules are yet not filled, so you can wait for them. And you can change the trailing stop loss. You can change whether you just want to buy and hold. You can change a different fixed target, or you can change the stop loss that you have made. Maybe let's use no stop loss and just save it. And instantly we have no stop loss inputted. So what the system offers to you, what the system has, it has a fully automated trade following by the rules that you have inputted. So you don't have to waste time on watching on the charts. You can input these rules and the system will follow these rules. You can establish a trading strategy with several trades in front. Let's say you want to buy at 7978. You just click buy when price is lower, 7956, and system automatically detects how much budget it can use no stop loss, simulation mode, use tight trailing stop loss, and the deal is placed. And you will instantly see that the system is waiting for the price to be a little bit lower, and once the price gets there, it will automatically trail and sell if possible, but you can make several trades based on your subscription plan. So it gives a great offer for traders, save a lot of time for traders, and what it also gives you, you can view your entire trading history and go through all your trades and have a summarized overview of your trades. You can always sell something if you like. You can always buy in a little bit more if you like. You can always sell a little bit more if you like. Okay, that's below minimum trade amount. You can always have a full control and instant control over your system. Now imagine you have a scenario where, okay, this is the scenario what many times many traders have went through. You have bought a coin somewhere around this area and you don't know whether the price will continue going up or continue going down, but it's time for you to go to sleep, for example. You can set up the system to have both rules set up, or even if it falls down below, you can buy additionally, or if it goes up, trail and starts falling, then sell with profit. You can set up these rules for many trades, for each of these trades, for many trades in the future. If you predict the price using the trend lines or some indicators, you can set up these rules and you can easily go to sleep, because you know the system will do everything and monitor everything for you. The system monitors every market change at every second. So sometimes people cannot even make selling that quick as the system itself can. So this is the benefits of trader.AiCoinPal.com websites, that we have worked hardly to offer this to people like you, for everyday traders, for people with no experience at all, that they can just use the AI trading bots, and for highly experienced traders to have the benefits of all our features that we have right here. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned and watch the next videos for more information. See you guys, bye.